Hello everyone, my name is Blessing Obodo. I'm a master student of international business management. I'll be talking about industry and company performance analysis, the UK clothing retailing 7045 SSL business analysis and intelligence. The table of content, number one, I'm talking about the clothing retail industry. I'll be talking about the company overview. I'll be talking about the correlation matrix. I'll be talking about the regression analysis, the visualization, managemental decision making, then the conclusion and the recommendation. The UK clothing industry has encountered various challenges in operation, which include management recently. In 2024, the industry faced a 2.3% decline in market size. In this presentation that I'm analyzing, I'm going to analyze data of 5 different clothing brands that are based in the UK. However, the objective of the presentation is to analyze the data to generate descriptive analysis, predictive analysis, data visualization, and recommendation for the company. Company overview. Company name, I'll first of all talk about the ROBL UK Limited, John Lewis PLC, Richards Group PLC, JD Sports, and the Bow Group PLC. The matrix in the data, I'll talk about the turnover, profit margin, current ratio, liquidity ratio, number of employees, gearing. Correlation matrix, strong negative turnover correlation with company 0.69 and moderate negative with employees 0.38. Current ratio is strongly positive with liquidity ratio of 0.84. Employees number is possibly correlated with gearing of 0.69. Profit margin negatively correlated with turnover of 0.52. Regression analysis. Increase in employee number has increased turnover. Strong positive correlation between predicted and actual value system. Approximately 91.9% of the dependency variable, which happen to be the turnover. Predictive analysis. Reduce gearing to enhance solvency and returns. Optimize workforce efficiency to effectively and efficiently with profitability. Strengthen liquidity management to stabilize the financial health. Focus on quality revenue growth through improving pricing. Visualization. Profit margin of the company. Visualization of intercompany performance. This is the bar chart of profit margin of the company. We talk with the URSBN, look at it for 15 to 10 to 5, then 0.00 down to the Bose PLC group, which cut from 15 to 10, then 5, then 0.00. Then this is the visualization of the intercompany performance, turnover of the company. This is the photograph of the bar chart of the turnover of the companies across the year. European UK Limited, how it has risen to 1.5 million pounds turnover. Visualization of the current liquidity ratio. The line graph of liquidity and current ratio of the companies over the year, how it has risen with the current ratio equals to the liquidity ratio. The visualization of the turnover against employee number, the column chart of turnover against employee number of the company. This is how it has risen, the turnover versus the employees number. Managerial decision-making implications. Focus on workforce growth, improve work efficiency and liquidity management to improve performance, maintain and accelerate year-on-year growth, invest in expansion and effective management of assets in the organization, improve financial efficiency, improving profit margin via cost control, pricing strategy, operational efficiency that will strengthen profitability even though the business is growing slow. The model that has a meaningful explanatory value for managerial decision making with an R2 manager can reasonably rely on the model to understand how these factors influence profitability trends across. Conclusion and recommendation. Summary of the key findings. The clothing companies, which we are talking about the Bow groups and the rest of them. The clothing companies in UK, they are facing financial challenges and hence turnover is strongly correlated to employees number, and then the growth of the firms will depend on effective management. Recommendation: integrate data analytics in decision making, adopt effective financial management which manage employees effectively. These are the references from where I got my work and also from fame, got data from fame and also from Statista, IBS words and the rest. Thank you very much.